What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from the Universal Orlando Resort for yet another Jurassic World VelociCoaster construction update. Let's go.
Thank you for your...
Hello, Lighthouse. As always, good to see you. Temperature right now about 70 degrees, but we do have a cold front coming in. It's going to be in the 40s by the end of tonight. No wait over at the ticket windows. Turnstiles on the right are closed. Ones on the left are open. We'll be right in. Yep, like usual, no wait to get through, and we are on our way. Alright, let's check out the wait times. Park is open until 7. Hagrid's right now 45 minutes, Hulk at 25, Forbidden Journey at 15, Doctor Doom at 10 minutes, 35 for Spider-Man. Kong is closed, P-Flyer's 35, Dudley Do-Right's 5 minutes, Popeye and Bluto's 5 minutes, One Fish, Two Fish, and the other smaller attractions were also 5 minutes, and of course the Hogwarts Express was 60 minutes. There's the VelociCoaster, and again, it's testing. Well, it looks like we have Universal employees filming over here. Interesting. And once again, the barricades have been pushed back a little bit so we can't get really close views of that heart line. River Adventure is still closed. down for a little refurb. And for those of you that are wondering, the ride is going to be down until January 29th of this month. I spy a Raptor without its wrapping. Construction lights are still on over here at the bypass bridge underneath the stall. Well, our last test runs were well over an hour ago. Night has fallen upon us, and the train earlier was not running with the lights on. So I'm going to call it. That's it for us tonight. Well, guys, that's going to do it for another video here from the Universal Orlando Resort for the Jurassic World VelociCoaster. And luckily, we had a chance to see it do some test runs earlier in the day. No test runs at night and no train lights. That's okay. We'll be back for more. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And we'll see you out on the Midway. Bye.